Next, we'd like to open up our CSV file, which contains the source data that we're going to be loading into Salesforce. To do that, I want to right-click on the data sources and open up a data source. I'm going to choose the CSV and then I'm going to give it a name. It contains accounts that we want to add, so I'm going to add accounts. Again, if I wanted to share this data source in another project, it's best to open it up remotely. Otherwise, I'm just going to use it locally, which is what I'm going to do here. I'm going to click OK, and it's going to say, okay, well, where does that file live? And I'm going to go find that file. Oops, it went right by it. Click Open. It is a comma delimited file, but if it was a different kind of delimiter, I could specify that here. I'm going to be only reading it, so I'm going to just specify read only. And the definition of what's contained in each of the columns is specified in that first record with a field names. So I'm going to click OK. And when I do that, we see a new data source appearing. If I were to click on that, depending on whether I'm viewing by data or whether I'm viewing the architecture of the file, I'll either see data, and I'm actually seeing data itself. So that's all there is to adding a CSV file as a data source.